Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Uh, in this series of taxation lectures, today I discuss the revisional powers of commissioner, and mainly I discuss that what are the limitations provided under Income Tax Ordinance 2001, with subject to which the commissioner is authorized to exercise power. So the first question arises in mind is this that how the commissioner asked for the record of the case for revision purposes and what authority is bestowed upon that commissioner under such ordinance. So it is expressly provided under the provisions of section 122A of Income Tax Ordinance 2001 that the commissioner may suo motu call for the record of the case. So why the commissioner calls for the record of the case? Merely for the purpose to revise it or to inquire that matter for revision. So the next question is this whether the commissioner is just empowered to exercise the power of revision under this existing ordinance or also in the repeal ordinance. Then the answer of this question is this: yes, the commissioner is authorized to call for the record of the case under Income Tax Ordinance 2001 as well as under the repealed ordinance. So this is the clarity provided under the provisions of the relevant or the requisite section. Now, the third question which comes in mind that against which order the commissioner is empowered. So it is necessary, it is expedient to provide herein that the commissioner is empowered to call for the record of the case which is dealt by the OIR, Officer Inland Revenue, or by the which is other than Commissioner's appeal. So the understanding is this: if the order is passed by any OIR, Officer Inland Revenue, then the commissioner is authorized to call up the record of the case for revisional purposes. And after calling such a record of the case, the commissioner applies its judicious mind, consider the technicalities of the order passed, and after such inquiry, the commissioner takes the decision as to the revision of the subject order. And now we move towards the exceptions of this section. What are exceptions to this general rule? So exceptions are provided that if the order is appealed before the commissioner's appeal or the or before the appellate tribunal, then the commissioner is not authorized to call such record of the case from these two authorities for revisional purposes. So the crux is this: if your order is appealed before the higher forums, then the commissioner is not empowered under ordinance to exercise power in its regard. So dear taxpayers, I hope that this video is really informative for you, because once the order is passed against you, then you do not need to be worried. You need to look into the opportunities provided under the ordinance and then take the decision for saving your interest. So for any further guideline, the number you may contact the number given at the bottom of this page, and hopefully you will get better assistance anytime. And for further updates, we will be in connection with each other. So thank you very much. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.